mine, I'm gonna tell you how you can download original Mastercraft games. So you guys might know that Mastercraft game got removed from the Play Store, but in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download original Mastercraft game without the need of Play Store. So yes, follow my lead guys. So I'm gonna explain how you can install it from the Chrome and also download it. Okay, so we are opening Chrome and let's take a new tab. So yeah, here it is. We should type a search with the keywords download mastercraft apk. So yeah, you just need to search these and install the game from the links. Yep, there are a few links that feature the game, but we need to find the correct link. There we go. Now after searching this, you need to click on this first link right here. Once you have touched on the link, it will redirect you to a page where you can download Mastercraft. So you just need to click on this and it will start loading. And you can finally download this app. Just make sure you watch this video until the end so that you get tips on how to download the actual game. Okay, you just need to re-click this, it seems, but yeah. Okay, so this is original Mastercraft and we have free APK downloading here. This link, it will start downloading the game. It's as simple as that, guys. Okay, yeah, here's the button. Let's click this. It's free and secure if you just go on this website. Okay, it will prompt you this notification in which you have to click OK. And after a few seconds, it will start download. It will soon finish downloading and you have to enter step 2 in which you need to install it on your phone. So now we have finished installation. Now go to file manager of your phone. Go to phone storage. You need to scroll down and go to downloads. And here it is. You need to find this APK and then click on this install button right here. Once you have ensured that you have clicked on that, it will start installing the game. You need to wait for a while before this gets installed. If this doesn't get installed, you need to go to your phone settings, security, and need to scroll down until you find allow installation from other source. If you tick it, and then you can basically